Hey there! Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about a crucial aspect of sales prospecting: finding anyone's email address. Whether you're a sales professional or a business owner looking to grow your company, being able to reach out to the right people can make a huge difference. So how can you find someone's email address? There are a few methods you can use, and today we will share you a couple of options, a free tool and a paid tool, both of which can help you in your sales prospecting efforts. Let's start with the free tool. One popular option is Hunter.io. Hunter.io allows you to search for email addresses by entering a person's name and the company they work for. It also provides additional information like the sources where they found the email address, the confidence score, and even the pattern used for that company's email addresses. It's a great free tool to get you started with your email outreach. Now, if you are looking for a more advanced and comprehensive solution, we highly recommend AnyBiz.io. AnyBiz.io is the best AI lead generation expert in B2B sphere. With the advanced AI technology and extensive database, you can search for and verify email addresses of key decision makers in various industries and companies. The platform not only provides accurate email addresses but also allows you to build targeted prospecting lists, export data to your CRM or email marketing tool, and track your email campaign's performance. It's an all-in-one solution for sales prospecting and lead generation. To get started with AnyBiz.io, simply go to the website, sign up, and get one free positive reply. Once you're in, you will have access to the powerful features and be able to find anyone's email address within seconds. Trust us, it's a game changer for sales and business development. So, whether you choose the free option with Hunter.io or the more advanced solution with AnyBiz.io, you are on your way to improving your sales prospecting efforts. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more sales and business development tips. If you are ready to take your lead generation to the next level, visit AnyBiz.io today and get one free reply. See you in the next video.